how to view your comment history on Instagram. Now let's say you want to know or view every comment that you have posted on your Instagram account. You want to see every post that you have commented on in the past. So all you have to do to view that comment history is to go to your profile icon in the lower corner. Click these three lines on the upper corner. Now while you're here, you'll be able to see this section that says your activity. All you have to do is to click on that. And once you're here, you'll be able to see under interactions, the comments right here. So all you have to do is to click on that. And once you're here, you will be able to see every comment that you have posted on your Instagram. You will be able to sort it to newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also filter it to the dates that you want it to be, let's say past month, right there. And you can also filter it to that one specific person that you want to see your comment on. So that's how to view your comment history on Instagram. Hope we help.